Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, mouse wheel not scrolling on Windows Fix It Fast. First method is open settings. Open mouse settings. Change vertical and horizontal scrolling settings. Second method is update mouse driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.